So, hi, dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal, no contact love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the month of April 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? So, let's start. What else? For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Pisces, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you. We have the Two of Cups and the Nine of Cups and the Two of Pentacles. Okay. Bottom of the deck is a Three of Swords. From deep inside, this person is still very hurt and heartbroken because they're still dealing with the kind of pain. This person is still still dealing with the pain that this situation or breakup or separation gave them. Okay, now this person is feeling like might be you were their true soulmate, might be you were their wish fulfillment, although this person might be dealing with somebody else also, or you are the one who is dealing with someone else also. There's a mix of third party in the situation. Two of Pentacles, Three of Swords, and Two of Cups here represents there is a mix of a third party energy in the situation. That is why this situation was on and off, in and out, and or that led to the breakup or separation between you guys. So this person feels like a missed opportunity in this connection between you and them. They feel like maybe you were the one for them. They feel like maybe you were their true wish fulfillment or true happiness, but they're not very sure about it. Hmm? There is this on and off, in and out kind of energy of, yeah, maybe Pisces was a good choice, and then maybe not, and then maybe I missed an opportunity with Pisces, then maybe not. But they're leaning mostly towards maybe Pisces were a good partner, Pisces was my happiness, but they're definitely hurt and heartbroken over the fact that you guys are not together anymore, and maybe you are never going to be. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Pisces. So we have the Star card, the Five of Pentacles, the Nine of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Ace of Cups. From deep down, this person wants to keep their heart open, keep their energies open to the idea of maybe connecting with you at some point of time in their life. On the conscious level, they just want to heal themselves. They just want to keep on moving forward and heal themselves. They just want to get out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of energy, and they just want to keep their guards up. So keeping their guards up here is they are like a wounded warrior right now who just doesn't want to give up before giving it a last tough fight. But right now their energies are more leaning more towards healing themselves, healing this energy of feeling like a victim, and then keeping their guards up, and then maybe trying once more before giving up 1,000% on the situation. So before giving up on the situation 100%, 1,000%, they want to give it a last shot, but not right now. Right now they are working on the fact that on this energy of feeling left out in the cold. My goodness, I'm not able to complete this reading. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of April 2026. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, the Magician. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Wands. They are looking forward to have some kind of connection with you, some kind of communication with you. They are one foot in, one foot out of the situation, but mostly out of the situation, and they're looking forward to have some kind of communication with you at some point of time, but not immediately. When it comes to the conscious level, Their action is like they're trying to balance their impulses, they're trying to stop themselves from acting like a fool in the situation, and they're manifesting balance in their own life. They're manifesting this energy of not to do something stupid, not to do anything immature, not to act out of impulses. So I don't see any kind of action from this person's side. From time to time, they get this impulse, they get this desire, they get this energy of, okay, let's go towards Pisces and talk to them, but they're manifesting this energy of not to come forward towards you in any kind of impulsiveness, immature, or on and off, in and out kind of energies. They're busy balancing their feelings, balancing their emotions, balancing their practical and emotional side, and manifesting this energy of not to do anything stupid in this direction. So they're looking forward to have a communication with you at some point of time, but they don't want to come towards you like a fool. Hmm. Let's see the guidance here, honey. We have the World card, the Ten of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is Ace of Wands. Listen to your intuition as much as you can. Sit with yourself in silence. Okay, close your eyes, sit with yourself in silence, and try listening to your intuition. What your intuition is telling you regarding this particular area of your life. That's very, very important for you guys. Before you guys are going to start or restart anything in this department of your life. Hmm? This is the core message. And when it comes to the guidance, proper guidance, we have this. You guys right now focus on yourself. Right now, this is not the right time for you guys to focus on like a relationship. Right now, your focus relationship in the sense some anything serious like marriage, commitment, long-term partnership. Right now, your focus should be on yourself, your money, job, career, finances, independence, and creating your own happiness. Once you are going to be happy within yourself, once you are going to feel complete within yourself, once you are going to feel like now, if it is happening, like if somebody is adding up in my life, good. If somebody is not coming, then also good. Until unless you guys are going to reach to that point of happiness within yourself, keep on working on yourself, because even if you're going to attract anyone in your life in lack mindset, in lack energy, they might not be able to be with you for long term. Because whenever we manifest from lack mindset, whenever we manifest from needing energy or wanting energy, we always end up attracting the wrong kind of people or wrong kind of energies. So try not to do that. Try to focus on yourself as much as you can. Try to give yourself the kind of love that you are anticipating from the other person here. Once your own cups are filled and you're happy, then you will be able to manifest this long-term partnership, a happy relationship naturally and organically. That's the deal here. Hmm? So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate with you. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry too much about it. Just leave it behind. Okay, if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, you can take the message as the guidance for that particular situation. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Mhm. So the answer to your question is this is the sign. Hmm. Okay, let's see. Sometimes we find ourselves in limbo, putting off making decisions or taking next steps towards something we are unsure of. If you have been searching for a sign that you should do, leave or start something, this is that sign. This also means that, depending on the question you have asked, this is an affirmative card and a form of yes. Think of it as your green light to take action. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.